The players take to the field in this special event.
Home team has gone with, and the away team have gone with this lineup.
Oh, that's a poor pass. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Bruno Fernandes. A misplaced pass. He got that all wrong. De Jong with the tackle. Now Lukaku.
What a chance!
Could pass the keeper.
And the deadlock's broken. How will the other team respond?
This is Rodrigo. This is Haaland. Here's Dembele. Wins the aerial battle. Cristiano Ronaldo. Careless pass there. Mbappe.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper.
A neat finish.
And they're back in the game thanks to his efforts. They'll push for the lead now.
That pass could have been better. Diaz tackles. Oh, well intercepted. Ronaldo! He couldn't keep that shot down and it's gone flying over. This is Rodrigo. Oh, that's a poor pass. It's now Saliba. A strong tackle. We're at the halfway. There's Van Dijk. He misjudged the pass. Regains possession. Oh, confident defending. Passing the ball really well. Their passing has been so accurate. And back to the goalkeeper. Hakimi. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. It's Cristiano Ronaldo.
And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further?
The board is up, and new players coming on. Hernandez. They want to add to their lead here. Great tackle by Botman. Oh, we got that cross all wrong. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. Oh, and dispossessed there. He got that all wrong. A careless pass there. A close lead here, but can they hang on until full time? Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, wayward pass, normally so accurate with his distribution. A great move, he's clean through. Surely a goal right at the end. The result is beyond doubt now. That's his second goal. And the manager's making a change here. Hernandez. This is a physical game, lots of tackles being made. That's a poor pass. Quality defending there.
Full What a great performance he's put in. He fully deserves to be named Player of
They'll have strict objectives to achieve in this event.
a 4-1. And here is the away team formation.
Moving it nicely.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Oh, well intercepted.
It's Ronaldo! Right in the top corner.
Great finish into the top corner. Expertly placed.
This is Rodrigo. This is Haaland. Pulls the trigger. He's taken it long. No one's going to get on the end of that cross. Mbappe. What will he do? Stunning header.
Great technique there. Kept his eye on the ball and placed his header well to put it past the goalkeeper.
Passing the ball really well. It's now Saliba. Bellingham with the ball. Good interception. That pass could have been better. Good defending.
Lovely passing here.
Good defending there. Valverde with the ball. Haaland drives forward.
What a chance! And there it is! Goal! Look at the confidence that's given him. And the team. Can they hold on to the lead?
Cristiano Ronaldo. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. He misjudged the pass. Drop ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. Here's Dembele. He's got the ball and is in full sprint. Is this a goal? Mbappe.
The referee gets the game back underway.
The whistle goes. It's now Saliba.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
Good goalkeeping. He needed to be alert. The ball's heading to the middle of the... Oh, executed perfectly. A great goal to score from the corner. And that was goal number 25. And he's only just getting started.
Alexander-Arnold. And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
He got that all wrong. Mbappe. Here's Dembele. He's darting forward. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. The striker picks it up. Mbappe looks comfortable on the ball.
He's got the goal in his sights.
Back off the post. Out of the danger zone there.
Oh, he did really well there.
The tackles are flying in at the moment. This is Haaland. Oh, that's a poor pass.
He did well to win the ball back.
This team really are controlling the game. Rodrigo shoots. The bar denies him. It's off his head. What a goal!
Fantastic goal to make up the player's hat-trick. He's in fine form.
The manager is bringing 2 players on. Can they win this event? All the fans, players and
the away team have gone with this lineup.
Alexander-Arnold. Lionel Messi.
What an opportunity!
Saliba. Valverde with the ball. Hakimi. And that cross missed its target. Rodrigo shoots. Great reflexes. He reacted to that long distance shot. Lionel Messi. Taking it short. Regains possession. Valverde with the ball. And he's won it back for his team. He got that all wrong. Mbappe.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper.
It's there! The equaliser! They're kicking off after that goal. Will they change their approach to this match, though? Completed the pass. Haaland drives forward.
Van Dijk with a tackle.
Fernandes with the tackle.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway.
Valverde with the ball.
Really good possession here.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Hooks it forward. Haaland drives forward. He steps up to steal the ball. He's darting forward. And time is called. Here's Van Dijk. Bellingham with the ball. He misjudged the pass. Misplaced pass. This is Haaland. And that's a poor pass.
Passing the ball really well.
Haaland drives forward.
The shot's on.
Oh, it's gone in. That goal, his second of the match. And the manager's making a change here. Hernandez. He's confident on the ball. A wasted chance there, a poor cross. A careless pass there. He's broken through, he's in the clear, and that's how it's done. He's scored a brace. The board is up, the new player's coming on. A long distance pass.
But they're really pushing for an equaliser, and there's not much time left.
Rudiger with a challenge. He really hit that corner. He got that all wrong. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Can they make this attack count? They need to get back into this game. Rodrigo shoots. Oh, we've seen some big tackles today. He loves to run with the ball.
Great understanding between this team.
An entertaining... What a great performance he's put in. He fully deserves to be named. They'll have strict objectives to achieve in this. Well, let's get going with today's game. The assistants flagged it offside. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. A careless pass there. Oh, confident defending. Here's Dembele. Good ball control. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. They're so comfortable in possession. Cancelo drives forward. He's running at the opposition. What a chance! Regains possession. Some really fluid passing on display. Their passing has been so accurate. A golden chance. A goal for Messi.
And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further?
It's now Saliba. A misplaced pass. He misjudged the pass. Bellingham with the ball. Oh, awful challenge. Makes the pass. Has a crack. It didn't trouble the keeper. He loves to run with the ball. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Oh, that's a poor pass. A careless pass there. Haaland drives forward, wins the ball. Hernandez. Dribbles with the ball. Oh, we've seen some big tackles today.
He did well to win the ball back. Good interception.
Harry Kane.
He goes for goal.
And the shot has gone wide. The board is up and new players coming on. Hernandez.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
This is Haaland. The player's using his pace. He's moving fast with the ball.
Oh, there's an opening here. Terrific stop by Courtois.
Oh, and it's found the back of the net. Surely that will go down as an own goal. With the match poised, he's bringing on all 5 players at once. Him. This is Haaland. Misplaced pass. The match is all tied, but they're on the front foot and going for goal. Will we see a goal? Oh, and it's in!
The goal now will change again. There's still time to salvage it.
He's speeding ahead.
Well read.
That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player.
Van Dijk with the tackle.
Salah with the dribble. Lewandowski now. An easy save. It looks like they're going to do it.
He misjudged the pass.
Thrilling game, a great lesson to all. What a great performance he's put in. He fully deserves to be named Player of the Match.